Hey, Riverton, live from the library. Well, my library, not the school library. It's time to talk about summer. Let's get started. Okay, it's time for your school library anywhere, anytime. Let's get ready for summer. Three things you need to know. Number one is it's time to bring back those library books. There's 300 of them still checked out. So I'm going to be sending out notices. If you get one and you're thinking to yourself, I never checked out that book, let me know. Don't panic. The book might be at school. The book might be sitting in the bin in the library. I think I got everything checked in, but I don't really know. Like, keep calm, read on. But if I give you a notice that you have a library book out, it means we have to have a conversation. Look at home, look in that backpack. Maybe it's been emptied by now. Maybe it hasn't. Take a look. All of the books are going to come back to cartons in the lobby labeled library books. That's how you know where they go. And if there's no room in the carton, then stack them up neatly next to the carton. Try to keep them off the floor. The other thing I need you to know, if anything happened, anything got wet, damaged, torn, whatever, please don't put them in the carton where they could contaminate the other books. If they're really bad, put them in a Ziploc bag, hand them off to the office. I promise. No questions asked, no problems. Just please don't put them in with the rest of the library books. And I'll know that you brought it back and we did our best. No problem. Next thing, let's get ready for summer reading. Summer reading is the best. Summer reading is where you get to pick and your kids get to pick what they want to read. There's going to be lots of options this summer. There's going to be stuff from the public library. I'm working on that. We're going to hopefully have some guest announcements coming from the Cinnamon Riverton Library and through the Riverton School Library. Through our school library, we have hundreds, and I mean hundreds, of ebooks and audiobooks. So there's all kinds of information on the Library to Go website, but you can connect through Sora, which is going to connect you to the public library ebook collection, the ebook collection that I've been building out for Riverton. And that's kind of like all over the place. I've got some younger grade books. I've got some older grade books. I've got class assignments. I've got ebooks, audiobooks, craft books, make do, create kind of books. Mac and Via is especially dedicated to like middle school age students, say grades 5 to 8. I think there's like thousands of ebooks there. It's not too much of an exaggeration because we were able to take advantage of a shared library collection. Technical stuff that doesn't matter. That's the place to get ebooks. Common Lit, if you want something a little more structured, Common Lit is going to have a summer reading challenge that's got like lesson plan kinds of things and great student activities and really, really awesome electronic, shorter reading passages for students to read. So there's really something for everybody. If you just want to read for fun, if you really want to kind of, bulk up and build those reading stamina muscles, we've got choices for you. And then we haven't even talked about the public library. So we'll put it out. Everything is going to be on the Library to Go website. And that link will be pushed out in the description underneath this video. Most important thing, get ready for summer reading. It's the best time of the year for reading because you can take it with you anywhere. You can read what you want to read. There's nobody telling you what you have to read. And as long as you read every day, you're going to build those reading muscles and you're going to learn to love reading if you don't love it already. If you need any suggestions for what to read, if you have any suggestions for what you think I should read, drop them in the comments because I'd love to see. And I'm always interested in building out our library. I've got a little more money to work with, a little more funding available. So if I haven't thought of it already and it's one of your favorites, let me know because I can put it out there for you and all your friends to read. Have fun, get those library books back, and I'll see you next time live from the library.